What's up, guys? I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane. Not one of those simple ones that you'd make at school or something, but a pretty good one. It's hard, but once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. First, you want to fold it like this. Just like that. And make sure it's straight or else it won't be good. Then you do the same, but for the left side. And it should look like that. And when you should open it back up, and you should have oh my goodness, an X right here. And then keep it like this. And on this line right here, you want to fold it like this. And make sure this part matches the line that's right here. And do it to the other side. And you want to make sure that point right there is like right at the edge. Then you want to fold that in half. Then you unfold it, and then you should have a crease down in the middle. Then fold it down. It should look like this. And this part has to touch perfectly to this line right here. And then you want to fold it like this, and there's like a line right here, and you want to perfectly match those up. And do it to the other side. Once you got that, there should be 2 points sticking out right here. Unfold those, and fold this part up like this. And then put it down, and you want to fold both of the sides like kind of mess it up. Sometimes you mess it up. It's pretty difficult when I first learned it. And it should look like this. Probably should go all the way down. But you got to get this part perfectly to line that part. And do that to the other side. You're almost done, don't worry. And if I'm going too fast, a reminder, you can pause it. Okay, and then it should look like this. And then you fold this flap down to make it look like that. Then you see the line down the middle? You fold it in half by that line. And this part is hard because the nose part already has a lot of folds. And it should look like this. And then you want to fold this to where it's like sticking out. You gotta make it stick out. And do the same to the other side. They hopefully should be even like this. And then you fold it down. You fold. Oops, did I mess up? Kind of did mess it up. I did mess it up. Don't do what I did. Okay, and then flip that over. And then do it like that. Then it should look like this. And fold it down the rest. Like that. And then like that. And then it should look like this at the end. And then you can do this a little. And then it should look like this. You see the thing sticking out? I think I messed it up a bit. There you go. And you see these right here? You can tape these with some tape together so that the points will stick out. And you can take this in half. But just for a tester, see that? They're really good. And if you want it to be really good and fly farther, put a paper clip at the front. All right, it's pretty easy. You can rewatch it, rewind it, pause it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace. Hope you enjoyed it.